IBM Power 10 is a platform that enables users to manage return on investment of generative AI solutions, including content generation use cases. Let's see how it works. With IBM Power 10, you can upload documents and based on the contents of those documents, create a marketing brief. So what you see here is you specified some properties for the marketing brief, like a company, some features, product information, kickoff dates, target audiences. And by simply clicking on this generative brief button here, you now send these raw information to a generative AI model, so-called large language model, that understands those features and comes up with a marketing brief for it. In this particular instance, you get some objectives, the target audience is framed, you get two options of potential key messages and a creative direction. And with that, you can really effectively and quickly create a few briefs for you. You can even create multiple ones and then select the best one for your case. That makes you more productive in your everyday tasks, creating these kind of contents. For other domains, it can look similar. Just to give you one example, if you're a developer, you are often interested in creating documentation for your source code. And in creating those kind of contents, you become more productive. Content generation can also go so far that you can generate whole code snippets for it. So it can be like classical Java or C, C++ code, or you can also generate code fragments, like for instance, Ansible playbook fragments, like tasks you want to put into your Ansible playbooks, or you can generate SQL statements that allow you to connect to your data that sits on IBM Power. Up here, there's a gear icon in this demo UI with which you can zoom into the details that are happening behind the scenes. So you can view the payload that is actually sent to the large language model that is operating in the background as a service. In this particular instance, we are selecting a Mixtral model, as you see here, and we give it some input that says generate a marketing campaign brief for a product manager based on the following information. Write in a concise and professional tone. And then we just appended here the information you have seen in the UI. That's all. So based on this prompt, this formulated in natural language, you can instruct the model what to do and how to ingest this data here. There are a few more options that help you to fine-tune this particular use case to your particular domain. And we, as IBM, we are happy to help you in figuring out the right parameters that implement your use case in an optimal fashion. So what you have seen here is how you can become more productive based on content generation. To see how that works in your particular domain, request a free of charge use case alignment workshop with your IBM sales representative. Thank you.